waves on the sea, feelings rising, then they leave, desires whisper, fears appear, but something deeper stays right here. The mind is restless, always in motion, pulling me into every emotion. But there is a still and steady flame that watches gently, never claimed. Is near. I stand behind each passing thought, the silent knower that cannot be caught. I see the patterns rise and fall, names and stories, none at all. They move through time, they shift and bend, but I remain without an end. When I rest back and simply see, the mind begins to soften in me. Its noise grows quiet, its grip unwinds, it turns to serve the deeper light. I am the witness, calm and clear, not the storm that passes near. I stand behind each passing thought, the silent knower that cannot be caught. Stillness guiding every breath, beyond desire, beyond regret. Here I stand, untouched and free, the watcher of all that comes.